How to fix apps not opening on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. If you are trying to open an application in your Windows 11 but you are unable to do that, now here are some troubleshooting steps that you can do. So first of all, in your Windows 11, open up the Task Manager by searching it from the search bar. Now once you land on this interface, at the top of this interface on your right hand side, there is an option as Run New Task. Click on it. A small dialog box will pop up in your interface. From there, click on Browse button. Now here, go to your This PC and then click on Local Disk C. From here, again click on Windows. Then scroll down again. Then search for System 32 and then click on it. Now under the System 32, you have to find out CMD. So you have to search for CMD right here and then select the CMD and then click on Open. After that, again a dialog box will pop up. From there, click on this checkbox that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Click on it and then tap on OK. Then a CMD dialog box will pop up in your interface. Now you have to close the background screen. Now, under this, you have to type in SFC space / and then scan now. Then press enter in your keyboard. Now this process will take some time and then it will scan your system in your Windows 11. Now once this scanning process is being done, we will move towards our next troubleshooting steps. So for that, you have to get to your Microsoft Store settings page. For that, click on the search bar and then search for Microsoft Store. After it is load up here, now right click on it and then click on App Settings. Once you land on App Settings of Microsoft Store, here scroll down and on the Reset section there you will find a repair, so click on it. If this system component is not working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data won't be affected. Under that, you will also see reset option, but after you click on it, all your components data will get deleted, so we will not be doing that. We will only click on repair button. Now once the repair is done, again close this interface. Now you have to navigate to that specific application where you're having problem on. So for that, again through the search bar, open up settings in your Windows 11. After that, click on apps from your left hand side. Then click on install apps. Here you have to navigate to that specific application where you're having problem on. For example, I have problem on draw.io diagrams. So navigate to that application and click on this three dots icon. From there, again click on advanced options. Again scroll down a bit, there you will find a repair button. Again click on it. And make sure you don't click on reset button because the app's data will be deleted. So the only thing we'll be doing is just clicking on this repair button. Now after you're done with that, again close this interface. Now you can open the CMD command prompt right here. Now once the scanning process is complete, you will be able to fix your issue. So that's how you can fix application not opening on your Windows 11, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.